A very warm good morning to my lovely students. Hope you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. Students, as you know that we are doing chapter 8 of English Reader, that is Magnificent Mary. Now in today's session we are going to complete this chapter and we'll start with language structure, and that is last question of this language structure, which is question C, and that says add the prefixes D and in dash miss L M to following words. So let's start with number 1, that is lead. So mislead. Number 2, agree, then disagree. Number 3, legal, so it's illegal. Number 4, act, it's react. Then number 5, code, it's decode. Number 6, usual, it's unusual. Number 7, visible, and this is invisible. Number 8, possible, that is impossible. Now there are 4 remaining parts which you have to do yourself. Let's move to next topic, that is grammar glee of the chapter. And in grammar glee of this chapter we are going to learn about various types of tenses. So for that a table is given here, so go through that. It is in your book and it is already explained in grammar, so go through this. Let's move to its exercise work. So students, let's start with its question A, that says complete the following sentences using the correct forms of verbs given in the brackets. So number 1 is he will be in Singapore tomorrow. Why did we use will be? Because it is given simple future tense. Now number 2, the rain has stopped. Why? Present perfect tense. Then number 3, we went to our uncle's house last month. Simple past tense, that's why only second form of verb is used. Next is number 4, Sonam is making a new dish. That is present continuous tense. Now number 5, carnations smell good. Why only smell? It is given simple present tense, so first form of the verb. Number 6, he was sleeping when the phone rang. And why we used was sleeping? Because it's given we have to use past continuous tense. That's why we used was and ing form of verb. Now number 7, the guest had arrived when we reached. So why had arrived? Because it's given that we have to use past perfect tense. So for past perfect tense, had plus third form of the verb. Now number 8, that is birds will be chirping early in the morning when we go to the forest. Will be chirping. Why we have used this? Because it's given that we have to use future continuous tense. That's why will be plus ing form of the verb. Now the last question of the exercise, which is question B of grammar glee, and that says fill in the blanks with the correct perfect continuous tense forms of the verb given in the brackets. Now see, in all sentences we have to use perfect continuous tense. But the tense can be different. It can be present, past or future. So number 1, the child has been crying since morning. Number 2, by 15th April we will have been working here for the year. Number 3, they had been living here for the last 6 months. Then number 4, Hari had been standing at the door for 10 minutes. Then number 5, he has been working in this college since 2015. So students, that's all for today. So students, as this chapter is done, so there will be class test of chapter 8 on 29th of October, that is Friday.